Yep. There we are. Fantastic. New bike day, always a good thing. Haven't even sat on this yet, so here we go. Ooh. Feels good. Oh yeah. First start. Make sure it's in neutral. Oh, and they give me a full tank as well. Fantastic. So yeah, here I am, guys. How you doing? At the old Guildford Harley Davidson. And thank you very much to the guys at Guildford Harley Davidson, Mike Noble, Aaron, everyone else. Finally picking up my new bike, and it is, ooh, feels good. It does feel good. Yeah, this is the 2022 Lowrider ST, or FXLRST as they like to call, and yeah, I know a lot of people wait a long time for this bike, and I'm one of them. Fantastic. Let's try not to stall it straight out. Whoop, woo. She is stunning. Unfortunately, it's not a great day to be picking up a new bike. Weather-wise, it's pretty shite. But we can only do what we have got. Yeah, new day, new bike, new tires. Already in love with this bike. So yeah. This is why I've been a bit quiet, because I can't really do videos without a motorcycle. Guildford Harley Davidson have been absolutely fantastic in lending me motorcycles whenever I ask them. And there is a video which I'm going to be putting out shortly where they lend me a sport glide to take down to Cornwall. And Mike, thank you very much, mate. I can't appreciate it even more. appreciate the fact that you've given me a full tank without me even asking. Like, you guys, what can I say? Do you ever need any custom work done? Please check out Guildford Custom. They've just recently released a video on the new Sportster S where they've done the custom work from Guildford Custom, and they have done a fantastic job on that. It is, oh mate, I'm sorry, this bike. Oh. If you have taken one of these out, you know. If you have not taken one out, you will not know yet. Oh mate, am I glad I went for this over the S? There was an opportunity for me to come and go for the S, but I held out and held to my guns. This is what I've been waiting for a long, long time. And she does not disappoint. And what a day. Fucking shit traffic everywhere. Yeah, not a great first ride considering it's straight into bloody traffic. It's always interesting in the first rides when you first get on a new bike and you're precious, you've saved up all your money, you've browsed, you've test rode, you've gone through all the motions to try to get to this point where you pick up your bike on your new bike day, you take it out on the road, and all you can think of is every single motherfucker out there bloody out to get you. Lean angle. New tyres, wet ground, but averagely dry. Yeah, 60. So for the first 1,000 miles, take it in nice and easy. Go through up and down through the gear changes. I'll let you know how I get on with this to make sure I've broken it in sufficient enough. You don't really want to be taking over 60 miles an hour on a new bike, apparently, and you don't really want to be sitting on one gear for a long period of time. So even with roads like this, taking it down still only takes it to about 2,500 RPM. Nice cruising speed. You're not making the engine overly work because you're in the wrong gear, but it also trying to keep it at that sweet spot. So I've also been told about, you know, starting new bikes, you kind of break it in nice and gentle. But I've also had that group of people who turn around and say you need to still ride it how it's going to be ridden. Because if you don't prep the bike in the first couple hundred miles the way you want it, you'll start having more issues later on. I don't know if I'm a firm believer in that. I don't know if I think that could be the case or not, but hey, trial and error when it comes to new purchases. But yeah, as it is, new bike, taking quite a while to get in, but you know, it's the world shortage, specifically this bike being so high in demand. I think I went for the right colour, the gunship grey. I had the opportunity to try to up the price and get to the El Diablo, but it's just, that wasn't for me. I'd rather spend the additional X amount of £1,000 on top of this bike to make it my own paint. That paint job is stunning, and possibly I'll get that stereo, the Fosgate head unit stereo type speaker thingies. But I've never ridden with music. I've never felt the need to. I love the sound of the road, love the sound of the engine. I know it sounds cliche, but it really is. It is. Even speaking on the phone when riding, you know, in the headset, Bluetooth headset, it's never been one for me. We're in a lovely part of Surrey. These roads, even though the weather are very strong, the ground conditions are pretty slippery, and brand new, you know, tyres with the old waxy feel on it. I can't really scrub them in properly just yet, but hell man, I've only done 28 miles on this thing from new. Plenty more footage is going to come out about this bike and what this bike can do, because I know a couple of you, you know, you follow me for the Triumph Actors. I have not lost my passion towards any type of a motorcycle, and I will probably end up trying to you know, get back out on those green lanes and those byways, because Jesus, nothing else quite like it. And the Triumph community, you know, the good thing about this dealership I bought from is part of the Lynn branch, and they are, you know, they've got BMW, they've got Triumph underneath them as well, so they have open days, they're all amalgamate, they all come together. And the beautiful thing about motorcycles, if you haven't worked it out yet, is the community of no matter what bike you've got, apart from a scooter, you will inevitably find something or someone to do something with, from really cool, interesting open days, things like, I just left that dealership, they had a lovely cake sale going. I really wanted some cake, but I also really want to ride the bike, you know. I might end up going back there, but hey ho, who knows. But yeah guys, thank you for your support, thank you for your ongoing words. I mean, even with the some of them negative, saying, you know, it's just a guy riding a bike. We're all just guys riding a bike, man. You know, we're all just riding. And if you ever thought about why when I want to watch someone just ride a motorcycle, I've had quite a few messages over the years of people appreciating the videos. The guys who can't ride anymore, the guys who've, you know, lost the ability, gotten too old. They're the ones I do it for. From moment one, when I first ever started putting videos out on Instagram, yeah, I got a lot of messages for people saying and appreciating that, because, you know, it takes them back to their heyday. So if I can do at least one thing, that'll be it, my friends. So yeah.